ver, it's working. Yeah, it is. Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Ok, vamos de nuevo. Okay. Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, well, I'm pretty sure that you already know more or less what it's going to be about. And today marks day number 1 of this new learning to dance journey. So yeah, I am very excited. I started to dance like 3 months ago, more or less. I started practicing twerk moves. After that, I was so into learning how to dance while wearing heels, okay? How to dance on heels. But of course, I didn't have any heels back then until last weekend that my new pair of heels arrived, and I am very excited. I am so looking forward to try them on. Sorry about my English. Anyways, I have the package here. Oh, okay. Oh my god. So as you can see, this is the brand Bootie. Okay, Bootie. Oh my god, they look so good. I am excited. What? Are you kidding me? They look so pretty. Wait, they're beautiful. Okay, so well, I think we should give it a try. Okay, this is the right side. Let's go. Oh my gosh, they fit perfect. They fit so perfect. Okay, this is so cool. No. I can't. No, wait, let's do something. I'm going to put both of them on, and then we lace we tie the laces, right? We lace the laces. Wow. Hey guys, you should you have to understand me a little bit. Okay, I speak Spanish. That's my mother tongue. Oh my god, no! They're so comfortable. Let's go. I think I'm going to be here, you know. No, are you kidding me? Oh, please, come on. Come on. Ooh. No, what? What about this one? Gabi, please. I tied those laces. Just a moment. In fact, you know what? I'm going to move my camera so you can see how I... Just a moment. Give me a moment. Perfect. Okay, so let's go. Oh guys, sorry if you see a little bit of hair. Okay, let's go. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, no, what? Seriously, I can't. Let's go. I don't know why I'm scared. No, I'm not scared. I'm just very, very excited. Oh, seriously, this is so pretty. This is really, really pretty. Okay, let's adjust this part here. Oh, very good. Okay. And don't worry about this redness, the red skin here. It's getting better, guys. It's not allergies. Well, maybe it's a little bit of allergy. No, but seriously, I don't feel anything weird. Okay, let's go with this foot. This is so cool, seriously. This is my first time buying a pair of dancing heels. I am so, so happy. Hey, this is quite a journey, right? Okay. And this one here. Let me adjust this part here. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. So as you can see, the heels are not like completely stilettos. So they are like wide here, and they go narrow, and then a little bit thick here. I'm going to leave the proper name on the screen, okay? But yeah, I decided this type of heels because I read that they were very, very comfortable and they were really good, especially for beginners like me, for people who have never, like, who don't have a dance background. All right. So, guys, it's time to stand up. Okay, so let's go. Okay, here we go. It's easy. We don't have to rush. It's not a race. Oh my gosh, what? They are so comfortable. Okay, let's try. Are you kidding me? What? They are very, very comfortable. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, I'm ready to rock. Ready to take this dance journey to the next level. Ooh, let's go. Let's see. Very good. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, guys, so what do you think? They are really, really nice, right? Maybe what I can do is to practice a little bit with them, like a little choreo. Let me think. Oh, okay. I have one. Oh, I forgot to wear the knee pads. Dude, how silly I am. Oh my gosh. Just a moment. I'm pretty sure that you heard the crack. Okay, just a moment. Baby, you're in the mood. Well, later I can do a video talking about my knee pads. Uh-oh, I think we have a little situation here. Or maybe not. What are you doing? Perfect. One knee is now protected. Guys, important. Always wear your knee pads, especially if you're doing floor work. Now that we are protected, let's give it a try again. Alright, so down, feet up, pointing the feet, elbow, and up, and up, down, and up, and up, down, and up, and both down, move, and through. I feel like I have the sofa like so close to me. Alright, so boom, 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 and back, and then here, two, whoop. Is the camera too close? I'm very excited, seriously. With this transition, up. Let's go. Woo! I'm excited. So cool. Well, guys, this was day number 1. Of course, later I would like to practice more with them, like my choreographies wearing these heels, and of course I'm going to document everything so you can know about my experience, and maybe that can also inspire you to start your own dancing on heels journey. Let's go! If you like this video, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give it a like, share it with someone that you know might be interested on this journey. And yeah, here I'm going to leave all my socials, so you can follow me there and let me know. I would like to see your journey too. Let's support each other, right? Well, guys, thank you very much, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.